ਬੜੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦੀ ਖਬਰ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਜੰਪਲ ਅਮਰਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸੋਹੀ ਨੂੰ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਮੇਅਰ ਚੁਣਿਆ ਗਿਆ। ਅਮਰਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸੋਹੀ ਜੋ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲਾ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਤਾਵਰਣ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਨਿਭਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਨ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਇਹ ਲਿਬਰਲ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਹਨ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਚੋਣ ਵੀ ਲੜ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਨ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਿਮ ਉੱਪਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁਕਾਬਲੇ ਚੋਣ ਜਿੱਤ ਗਏ ਸਨ। ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਅਰ ਵਜੋਂ ਚੋਣ ਜਿੱਤ ਜਾਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡੀ ਜਿੱਤ ਮੰਨੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਦਾ ਸਰਪੰਚ ਬਣਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ।
I came to this city as a young man. I had nothing, yet I had everything. The love and support of my brother Jagdev and my sister-in-law Rajinder. As an 18-year-old immigrant without much to my name, I had ambitions and dreams to build a better life in a new home. Dreams that sometimes seemed impossible. And today, because of you, because of everyone in this room, we have made the impossible possible. So my fellow Edmontonians, thank you for electing me as your mayor. And thank you to our volunteers, supporters. We committed to run a positive, optimistic, and inspiring campaign. We did it, and we did it together. This day is possible only because of your hard work. Thank you to my wife, Sarabjit, and our daughter, Sirat. Public service has always been a family journey for us. Whether it was as a community volunteer or a city councillor or a member of parliament or as a minister, it would not have been possible without my family being there with me and our friends being there with us. I also want to thank our current council and mayor for their service to our city. Also, thank you to all who stepped up to run in this election. Whether you ran for council or for mayor, your commitment to Edmonton is inspiring. And to all the people of our beautiful city, I know that these past few years have been tough. Many of you struggle to make ends meet. Many of you face racism and discrimination in our community. If you're a young person anxious about your future, if you're worried about the health and well-being of your loved ones, I see you and I hear you. And I'm honored with the privilege to lead us toward a new chapter with better days ahead. During these challenging times, it would have been easy to retreat from progress. But instead, we showed up for each other. We never gave up on optimism and hope, and we continue to build an Edmonton for all of us together. This is the Edmonton that I know, and that is the Edmonton I am passionate to lead. Together, we will create a thriving city for families, communities, and businesses, one with strengthened public services. We will move forward on reconciliation, taking meaningful action to address the needs and concerns of Indigenous Edmontonians. Together, we will tackle racism and discrimination on our streets and in our institutions. We will nurture arts and culture. In return, our arts and culture will nurture us. We will keep people working. We will grow and prosper and not leave vulnerable Edmontonians behind. We will build a sustainable and climate resilient city because we have the know-how to recover and grow and build an economy that will withstand whatever challenges we face in the years to come. So let's get to work. Let's build a city that's a place of opportunity for all. We all know it will be hard work. And the good news is, Edmontonians don't shy away from hard work. It is my profound honor to say that I am the next mayor of Edmonton, the city I love so much. Thank you.